Hello everyone, this is Shweta Ma'am and I'm back again as promised with more of Phonics. Today I have with me none other than Shweta Ma'am, who as you all know is an expert in phonics. With more than 12 years of experience of teaching children as well as training teachers across the city of Siliguri, she has earned a name for herself as one of the best phonics teachers that you can ever get. She's going to be teaching you how diagraphs are going to be done, how double consonants and long sounds are to be taught. So without wasting any time, over to you, Shweta Ma'am.
Let me tell you about the digraph. When two sounds they come close together, they make one sound, that is a digraph. S and h. When they come close together, they make one sound, that is sh. Shirt, cash, fish, shark. W and h. They come close together and they make one sound, that is w. Wheel, whale, whisk, whistle. Curly cur and h. They make one sound, that is called ch. Chair, watch, catch, batch. T and h. They make two sounds, that is th and the. Th as in soft sound, that is teeth, thick, three, think. And the is the, this, that. And they make one sound, that is f, like the letter f. Phone, trophy, photo, graph. Curly cur and kicking cur. They make one sound, that is k. Rock, clock, chicken, lock. We have double consonant and long vowel too. L. Let's stretch it like a rubber band. L. W, e, l. Well. B, e, l. Bell. T, all. Tall. D, all. Doll. Again, let's stretch it like a rubber band. P, a, puff. Cl, e, cliff. Sn, e, sniff. St, a, stuff. Gr, ass, grass. Gl, ass, glass. Dr, s, dress. Ch, s, chess. Z, z. D, e, z, e, dizzy. J, as, jazz. P, e, z, pizza. P, a, z, puzzle. Long sound E. Get a bigger smile. E. B, E, bee. S, E, d, seed. Sh, E, sheep. N, E, knee. Ooh. Now we have two sounds with oo. Long oo and short oo. Book, food. It's a short oo word. Broom, moon is a long word. Now let me tell you the trick. If you find any word ending with k and d, you will see that all the words are short words. But when you see a word ending with l, you will find those words are long words.
Thank you so much, Shweta Ma'am. That was indeed awesome. My biggest takeaway from today's learning was that words ending with K and D had a shorter oo sound, whereas those ending with the L and the M and the N had a longer oo sound. I'll be back with more. Till then, stay tuned.